Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. As the title suggests, today we're going to be turning ourselves into TARAYUMMY, okay? As TARAYUMMY once said, if you want to be TARAYUMMY, you need to think like TARAYUMMY. TARAYUMMY is a mindset. And considering my huge forehead, I think I can fit another mindset into this, okay? So it's not too hard to do. TARAYUMMY does not have a lot of makeup on her face. It's super simple, super easy. I think anyone can do it. I thought of like all the different ways that I could do this makeup look, you know? But I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna follow TARAYUMMY'S tutorial. So she has a tutorial up on her YouTube where she does her makeup and we're just gonna follow it. Now, I don't have all the same products as her, but I think that we can still do it. Okay.
Moisturizer. Guys, start off with any freaking moisturizer.
Okay guys, so she just said use a moisturizer and I'm gonna use this Pond's one. She actually goes on about how she doesn't use any type of, well, she didn't use primer, but I want to use primer. So I'm gonna use this e.l.f. primer.
I start off with no foundation.
She just introduced that she's using a concealer. First of all, we're gonna be using this concealer. So I'm just gonna put a little bit under my eye and then just a little bit every once in a while, because Tara kind of does this on her makeup as well. Now I'm gonna kind of blend that out. On to the next step. Now we're gonna use the actual concealer. This one is like very similar to my shade. So now we're just gonna put this on our face to kind of even out those tones. Okay, that's enough. Now let's blend that out. Tara didn't say anything about baking, y'all, but let's bake really quickly. Or just set. I'm just setting under my eyes. I have to at least bake just under my eyes, so.
I do my eyebrows. Go with the flow of your own eyebrow. You know what I mean? Know what's best for your face.
So now we're going to do our eyebrows. She either just brushes her eyebrows or she uses a tinted brow gel and she goes and kind of fills it up, but she does it naturally. She says go with your own brows. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm going to flick my brows upward and then kind of curl them down a little bit. Now I'm gonna fill them in. Now my brows are a little bit different than hers, so I am gonna fill my brows in and kind of make them look a little bit more TARAYUMMY-esque. Okay. I'm kind of trying to round out the front. I'm just filling it up in general. And then I'm just making just a little bit fuller, maybe making the arch a little bit more apparent for my brows. And then I'm gonna do the exact same for this side. Now, do my brows look exactly the same as TARAYUMMY'S? No. But y'all, we're just trying, okay? Do it look silly? I don't know. I feel like hers are a lot cleaner than mine, so I might go in with a little bit of concealer, like, you know, under. I'm gonna kind of conceal on top of my brows. Not on top, on the bottom of my brows, because Tara's are a bit cleaner than mine because she gets her brows done. So I'm just gonna go kind of clean them up a little bit with the same concealer I used. And I'm just going to go like this, really naturally. And I'm also trying to make that arch look a little bit more apparent. Okay, and then I'm just gonna blend that out with my finger. Now I'm gonna do the other side. That looks a little bit better. Looks a little bit more like arched. Yeah, that looks better. Because her brows are a lot more cleaner than mine. So now I'm gonna kind of come over here and then we're just gonna do the exact same. Cleaning them up, creating more of an arch. calling everything TARAYUMMY something, so these are TARAYUMMY brows.
I got this 𝐒𝐞𝐬𝐢𝐴M blush. I put it on the higher parts of my cheekbone.
So TARAYUMMY is obviously using like a peachier blush, so that's also what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be using this Rare Beauty blush and then this LA Girl cream blush, because these two are kind of pinky. I don't know what it is with this camera, but it makes stuff look a little bit deeper than it actually is. Like, my shirt's a little bit lighter, and these, like on my TikTok, look peachy, but it looks pink on here. I don't know. That's why I'm saying I'll follow all my different social medias. They're all linked down below, by the way, because this stuff is different on everything, okay? Anyway, so we're gonna go in with a little bit of blush. She says that she puts it on the higher points of her cheeks, so that's also what I'm gonna do. I put a tiny bit of that, and then we're gonna put, y'all, when I say the tiniest bit of this, I literally mean like the tiniest little tiny bit, because this stuff honestly does a little too much sometimes. Take a brush, and we're gonna blend this out. She also talks about how she applies the makeup and she puts it kind of higher on her cheek. I think I'll add a tiny bit more. Just a tiny bit more. I don't know what that was. Ignore it, please. And she likes to apply it kind of higher up on her face. Really nice. I like this placement. This placement works really well with like round faces because it brings our faces up instead of dragging it down. Like if you put your blush here, your face is definitely going to drag down. I think that's swell. I think that's very swell and very cute. Ooh, I might have blown that up too high.
But I kind of contour my nose with this. I just put it on the edges and I blend it in with a little brush. And I go in with like that. And it just kind of bronzes up my face and contours it.
Okay, now we're gonna go in with bronzer, okay? And I mean, there's not really any crazy tutorial, just bronze your face. And she kind of does have a heavier bronzer than me, so I'm gonna just apply it kind of harsh, I guess. I don't know. Now we're gonna do some nose contour, and we're gonna go in and I'm just gonna do my normal nose contour. Her nose contour is kind of close to like up here, but I mean, my nose is my nose and her nose is her nose, and it's not like I can really copy her nose shape. So I'm just gonna do my normal bronzer. Normal nose bronzing routine. Guys, do I look like TARAYUMMY yet? Resemble TARAYUMMY? TARAYUMMY'S lost sister? TARAYUMMY does not set her face. Sorry, I have to set my face. Dude, I have to, y'all. I literally just have to. Okay, it's not gonna be nothing crazy, but just a little bit of, you know, nothing crazy.
What I do is I like get some on like a little tiny brush like this, and I put it at the very tip of my nose like this. Put it on the bridge.
Okay guys, so now she's doing some highlighter. I'm gonna be taking a mix of this like champagne-y high cut highlighter, and then we're gonna put on like a little bit of a brighter white highlighter on top because her nose highlighter is kind of bright. Actually, I think I'll just stay with this one maybe. Okay, so am I TARAYUMMY? No. I wish the answer was yeah, but it's not. And I followed her makeup routine, and of course I'm not TARAYUMMY, so of course my face doesn't look like hers, okay? So now we have to add in a bunch of little things that it just kind of shows her.
I literally just follow my lash line up, and then I follow my natural upper lash until it looks like eyeliner. I will literally just dip it in black, run it around my lower lash line.
Let's start with eyeliner. She never really mentions it, but I'm gonna apply a little bit of brown to my lid. Actually a good bit of brown. I'm just using that same little shade that I used to kind of contour my face, and I'm just applying that literally all over my lid, okay? And I'm gonna add just a little bit down here as well. Now we're gonna go in with eyeliner, okay? So we're just gonna do some basic, simple eyeliner, nothing crazy. We are gonna go kind of thicker than usual because her eyeliner is thick. I'm gonna show y'all me doing one eye. So I'm gonna start like in the middle of my lash, in the middle of my eye. What am I talking about, y'all? And then I'm just gonna kind of go outwards, and it'll lead to a thin line, like that. Hope that looks good to y'all because that's about the best we're gonna get, honestly. I mean, like, eyeliner isn't that hard, but doing it in a specific way is what's hard. Okay, TARAYUMMY eyeliner, done. Okay guys, so I finished the other eye, and y'all, thick eyeliner is not my best thing ever, okay? But now we're gonna take this black eyeliner, and then we're gonna use it, we're gonna put it on our waterline, and then we're gonna blend that out. Okay, hope that makes sense. So I just like to grab my eye like that, and then apply. Then we're gonna smudge it a little bit. That's good. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other one off camera and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so you know, I finished with all the like eyeshadow and smudging and all that different stuff. Is this giving TARAYUMMY? No, but I don't know. Okay guys, so now I'm going to put on mascara. I think I can achieve Tara's lashes, but I do want to curl mine a bit. My lashes are good, but I don't know. I just want to, just the tiniest bit. Like, I'm not even doing much. Just like, that's it. And low-key, they don't even need to be that curled, because when my lashes curl, they just turn to like little C's. Now we're going to put on some mascara. Okay guys, anyways, so y'all can see the mascara, and I mean, it's there. So I'm gonna continue putting on mascara, and I'll be back once all that is done. So y'all, mid doing mascara, I realized that the mascara that I was putting on was waterproof, which meant that I couldn't scrape away the bits that like get on your eyelid. So I'm sitting here, I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna scrape away the extra stuff. No. So now I have to sit up here and babysit the remnants of mascara that I have up here. And I'm just fixing my little mistake by putting some full coverage healer over it. And we're gonna powder it and then we're gonna apply some more of the brown. Y'all think TARAYUMMY makes this mistake? I guess I'll see y'all after I fix up my eyeshadow, right? So for TARAYUMMY'S lip combo, she uses a brown lip liner and it's like a dark plum but also nude matte whip or something. So we're gonna mix and match some products today, okay? So first of all, we're gonna do this UNLEASHIA non-sticky Dazzle tint in the shade number 1. And I'm gonna take that and we're gonna apply that on our lip. Lately I've been using these, and if you were to ask me why, I don't really know, but they're really good to set a base color for your lips, and that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm gonna also mix in a little bit of a number 2. Okay, so y'all see that it's like the perfect berry nude color. It looks so red on this camera, y'all, but I promise y'all in person it is a dark, it like almost is the same color as this shirt. It's like a darker, plummier color, almost like this shirt. My shirt is like a very dark plum red color, but I don't know, it's not showing up like that on camera. That's what we have on there. I'm gonna let that sit for 3 to 5 minutes, then I'm gonna wipe that away, and then we're gonna start with the other stuff in our lippy. Okay, now I'm just gonna wipe it away like I said. It literally just leaves behind. It literally leaves behind just the cutest lip tint ever, okay? And it lasts a long time too. I got this part from Yesstyle. If you guys want to buy it from there, I have a link down below. If you use that link, you can get some money off using my Yesstyle code. Now that we finished with the little lip tint, we're going to go in with a bunch of different products because honestly, her lip combo is different on many different occasions, but this exact tutorial that I'm looking at, her lips are kind of a little bit more berry colored. On this camera, y'all, my lips look pink. I promise y'all. They're like a darker berry color. Anyways, I'm gonna take this e.l.f. lip shine balm thingy, but it's like in this dark berry shade. And I'm gonna take that, and then we're just gonna, I don't know, just lightly go over some spots. You know, nothing too crazy. That's pretty cute. I really like it. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the lip liner. I'm gonna go in with the very light lip liner because I'm not trying to do anything too crazy. I'm gonna use this NYX lip pencil in the shade brown. And then I'm just gonna lightly outline my lip. Super light, nothing crazy at all. Now, I wanted to go in with this. I can't even give y'all the shade name for this because it is supposed to be this like nude color, but it's old. And so it turned into this weird little plum color. And I'm just gonna kind of tap that on my lips. And then last but not least, I'm gonna go in with this gloss. I'm gonna use the tiniest bit of this. This is from a beauty supply store. It's the Secret of Pharaoh Jelly Lip Gloss Long Last Lip Wear in the shade Faith, okay? And I'm gonna take the tiniest bit of it. Not a lot. It's like a little bit of shine, but it also looks like a lip gloss. I mean, it looks like maybe like a satin lipstick. Anyways, so yeah, that's it for the lippy, and I really like this. Now for the final part of this makeup look, we need to do some freckles. So I'm actually going to be using a Crayola marker, and I'm just going to place some marks on my face because she has some like little freckles on her face as well. You guys see it? It's like really, it's kind of faint, but it's there. I think I'm pretty much done with the makeup, you know. No, yeah, I'm done like with the makeup. Last but not least, we need to do her piercing. So she has a eyebrow piercing that's right here, and I have some little fake piercings in here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these little fake thingies right here. I'm gonna take this ball that's right here, and I'm gonna put it on my eyebrow, like right here. Okay, so guys, I changed my clothes. We're done now. I think that this looks pretty good. It's her essence. Okay, do I look like TARAYUMMY? But it kind of has the essence. Like, if I were to post on TikTok and all that stuff, someone would probably say, oh, she's trying so hard to be TARAYUMMY. But yeah, that's it. That's all for this video. I really hope that you guys like it. Please leave a like and a comment, because the comments really motivate me and they help me to know if you guys actually like the stuff that I'm posting. So yeah, I actually made a 𝐤𝐸𝐬 video a little while ago, and now I'm doing Tara. Am I gonna turn into Johnny soon? Who knows? If y'all like this video, maybe I'll turn into Johnny. But yeah, y'all, that's it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching it. If Tara sees this video, that would be kind of cool. Follow me on all my different social medias. They're all linked down below, as well as the products I got from Yesstyle. I bought those with my own money, so this video is not sponsored, but I have a code for you guys if you guys want to get some money off. If Tara sees this and she just, I don't know, just gave a thumbs up in the comments, that would be great. Okay, y'all, see y'all later. Y'all, I'm literally ending my video and I'm cleaning up. I have on different clothes and stuff, and look who went live.
And then I got it. Dude, look at my face. I'm like, what are you doing? I went to 2 different haircuts.
Okay, anyways, y'all, so the video will actually end now. It was meant to be, y'all. Oh wait, I'm gonna do something cool for the outro. See y'all.